Hello, welcome to the 2023
Thank you.
Cowellmedi International Annual Conference. Would you please briefly introduce yourself?
Okay, I am Dr. Akram Aloui, a periodontologist from Tunisia, and I have been running my own private practice for now 4 years. And I am a READ member, I am an ITI fellow, and I have had the opportunity to work and to learn from many of the brightest minds in the field of dentistry.
Do you use the Cowellmedi implant system in the clinic?
Yes, I do it daily basics. I do it exclusively in my clinic, so we only use the Cowellmedi implant and also some of the products, some bone graft products of Cowellmedi.
What do you think about the unique advantages of this system?
Okay, well, it has many advantages. I think some of the best features is the connection of this implant. It is also the surface treatment of this implant, which is very unique, and it is very simple to use. The surgery kit is very simple to use. We have the drills with the diameters and the lengths, and it's very simple to use it. I also like very much using the guided system from the Cowellmedi.
Thank you for your informative lecture. I heard that you are using the LodeStar Plus kit product.
Yes.
What are the unique features of this product?
I think that the LodeStar Plus has many features, and the most important feature is that the drills has their own integrated insertion tool. So unlike other systems, we don't have any handles or any spoons to correctly do the drilling or to correctly position our drills. So it is only one drill that has this insertion tool that we will use, and this will make very easier the surgery. Also, I like the simplicity of it. It is one simple guide to work with the narrow and the submerged fixer. So I'm getting used to it, and I like very much to use it.
Thank you for your answer. What do you think of Cowellmedi?
Oh, Cowellmedi is a very promoting company. I think you are doing the things very well, and it is very predictable from Koreans to have this, level of competence. And also, I like very much that you are doing these reunions every year. I have been last year in Turkey and this year in Rome. I think it's very nice what you are doing, this knowledge sharing platform.
Thank you, Dr. Akram, for arriving in Rome. This time you participated in Cowellmedi 2023 International Annual Conference. How do you feel?
I feel very excited. I like the city already, and I also like the conferences. I have been into two of them until now, and it's very interesting to attend to this kind of events. I like also the whole presentation process, what you are doing in the whole conference room, and also the congress in general.
Yes, it is our honors to be recognized by you.
Thanks a lot. I am very honored also.
We look forward to continued acceptance of our invitation next time.
I hope so.
Thank you for
Thanks a lot. Thanks you.